In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download apps to your Apple TV. The first thing you need to do is to make sure we're on the home screen of the Apple TV, and then you want to head over to the App Store. Once you've opened the App Store, you'll be greeted with this page, which is the Discovery page. The Discovery page is basically where you can discover new apps that you haven't downloaded to your Apple TV before. Now you can change which page you are looking at by scrolling all the way to the top, and you can slide over to the Apps page, which is very similar, but it's going to give you a list of apps instead. And if you go to the Games tab, as you can see, it's the same thing, but it's going to be game-specific applications. And you can also go across to Arcade, which are going to be Apple Arcade-specific apps, which you will need an Apple Arcade subscription for. And last but not least, you can go to Purchased and see your purchased applications. Now, if you want to search for a specific app, you want to go all the way across to the search icon, and here you can search for the app you want to download. Now you can also press and hold the Siri button on the side of the Apple TV remote, and you can voice search for an app through there. In this example, I'm going to search for the Channel 4 app. Channel 4. As you can see, it is searched for the app, and it's the first one that I want to download, so I'm going to click into it. Once you've clicked into the application, you can read more about it by scrolling down and seeing more information. However, if you want to download the app, you want to click on the Get button, but mine says Open because it's already been downloaded. Once you've pressed the Get button, you may be prompted to enter in your Apple ID password, and it will begin to install the app to your Apple TV. Once the app has been installed, it will change to the Open button, which you can see on screen now. So if I click on Open, it's going to immediately open the app on our Apple TV. We can access these apps by going back to the home screen of our Apple TV, and then you simply want to scroll down and you want to find the app that you have just downloaded. In this case, it was Channel 4, and we can launch the app from here. We can also use the Siri remote and talk to Siri and ask it to launch the app that we just downloaded as well. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.